Selling beats online. 3 ways to sell your beats on Instagram. Let's get it. Yo, what's going on? This your boy Caesar from 𝐤𝐨𝐬𝐫𝐞. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit that notification bell on upcoming videos that we will have. All right, let's get right into it. 3 ways for you to sell your beats using Instagram. Reason number 1, simply just go to the search bar in Instagram, maybe go to the hashtag section and just type in rappers or singers, and then just easily just start going through the videos and just reach out to them. DM them, say, hey, I checked out your music, and really check out the music. I listened to your music. These are my thoughts. I'm a beat maker. I can create the style of beats that you're looking for. So what you want to do is create some sort of conversation back and forth. You don't want to go overboard when you're DMing these artists. So you don't want to have 50 to 100 artists that you just reach out to and you just start DMing them. That can get a little confusing. It can be a little too much. I would probably do like 5 a day. Start off slow and then maybe just start increasing it slowly once you find that sweet spot on how to actually reach out to them and listen to their music and give them some input. When I started selling beats on Instagram, that is how I started to gain a lot of sales, by reaching out to them, giving them a genuine input of what I think and what I thought, and then letting them know I'm a beat maker, I can create those styles of beats and this and the other. Number 2, another way you can sell beats on Instagram is simply, you guys, and I have to say this, you gotta invest money into your brand, into yourself. You can simply just run ads on Instagram. All you have to do is just run an ad on Instagram, maybe $5 a day, and try it for like 5 days. That's 25 bucks. The key thing is when you're running your ads, you want to make sure you have the right audience. So you want to make sure you put in maybe rappers, singers, hip hop, BET, whatever type of genre that you do for your music. That's how you want to put it in the target audience. Leave some comments below. Let me know if you want me to create a video on how to run ads on Instagram. Number 3, the third way you can sell beats on Instagram is just by simply posting the beat on Instagram. So me personally, I like to use IG Reels. When I post it on IG Reels, I may get like 1,500 views or 2,000 views. So the reach is a lot further. So with that being said, I may just post a video of me in the studio making a beat or a beat that I've already made and just posting on the IG Reels. I may say in the description, hey, who do you think can rap on this beat or sing? Let me know, leave it in the comment section. And then I choose the right tags for that actual post and simply just put it up there and see what people think. So making sure you post your beats, use IG Reels, I think it'll just help you out a whole lot more than just a regular post. Let the person hear or listen to your beats by just you being in the studio, pressing that play button and letting them hear your beats. So posting on a consistent base will definitely help you make some sort of sell. If not, you're getting a lot of engagement on that video and followers on your Instagram, which will eventually lead you into sales. All right, you guys, I really hope that helped. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit the notification bell. I want to try and hit 2,000 subscribers. Please help your boy out. Thank you again, and I'll holler at you soon. Peace.